Good morning. Let's get it.
Nice to see markets rally a little bit. Crypto was rallying overnight. Yeah, I didn't sell. I mean, you hear the media and, as I would interpret it, just try to scare retail. As we saw crude create a new high, which is definitely a little scary. Got over to 100. Oh, we can go to 120, we can go to 150. They were talking about this when, well, I don't think it was a new high. It touched 120 over last weekend. Then we dropped down back into the 70s, and now we're back. We're yesterday over 100. I had to check the price. Anyways, and then we've got the private market concerns. But the topic that I want to address today is it seems like inflation is more of a concern. Fed cuts have come down and continue to get pushed out. From a few months ago, we were looking at the original cut of being in June. We're now looking at November, December for the first cut. We're looking at as little as 2 cuts over the next 20 months, the end of 2027. Coming into this year, we were looking between 4 to 6 cuts. And we're down to 2 cuts over 26 and 27. The main thing that I'm now starting to see is a correlation, or possibly a correlation, and it makes a ton of sense. This was the original thesis for Bitcoin, is it's an inflation hedge. It's not necessarily, or it was thought to be a safe haven asset during COVID, and now it looks like, and if you look at the last couple times, well, I didn't really follow cryptos in 2017, 2018, but inflation was insane with all the stimulus and just what was going on, all the printing, quantitative easing in 2020 going into 2021, and we saw cryptos and alts go nuts and rates are low. So it is a little interesting that I don't really see rates going down unless things change. If inflation numbers start becoming a problem, then rates are going to go up, actually. But for now, I am seeing a correlation that inflation seems to be more of an issue than before over the last year plus, and they're buying cryptos. And it does help that it looks like gold and silver have topped out, and that money can inflow into crypto.